The Nigerian Army has dismissed reports alleging threats of mutiny by soldiers over salaries and allowances, describing the claims as false, misleading and deliberately sensational. The Army reacted to an online publication which alleged that soldiers were threatening mutiny due to welfare concerns, a report it said was aimed at undermining public confidence and national security. In a statement on its official X handle, issued on Monday and signed by the Acting Director, Army Public Relations, Colonel Appolonia Anele, the Army said at no time has there been any threat of mutiny within the Nigerian Army. The statement added that mutiny remained a grave offence under military law and was incompatible with the values of the institution. Mutiny is a grave offence under military law and alien to the ethos, discipline and professionalism of Nigerian Army personnel, who remain loyal to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, the Army stated. The Army said the report relied on unverifiable claims circulated through unofficial channels. The report relied solemnly on anonymous, unverifiable claims circulated through non-official channels, the statement said, adding that such narratives did not reflect the views or conduct of officers and soldiers. According to the Army, personnel were trained to express grievances through established internal procedures rather than public platforms. Officers and soldiers of the Nigerian Army are trained to channel grievances through established military procedures rather than public platforms, the statement read. Clarifying issues around remuneration, the Army said promotion increments should not be misrepresented as total earnings. For avoidance of doubt, it is important to clarify that promotion increments are only one component of military remuneration and should not be misrepresented as total earnings, the statement said. It added that military pay included consolidated salaries, rank-based allowances, operational allowances, field and hardship allowances and other entitlements that vary by deployment, qualification and responsibilities. The Army said it was working with relevant authorities to improve troop welfare. The Nigerian Army, in collaboration with the Armed Forces of Nigeria and relevant government authorities, continues to implement structured welfare reforms, the statement noted. These reforms, it said, included periodic salary reviews, enhanced operational allowances, improved accommodation, medical care, and insurance packages for troops and their families. The statement also said the Chief of Army Staff had begun engagements focused on welfare since assuming office. The Chief of Army Staff on assumption of duty has initiated positive engagements with the appropriate authority on troops' welfare. This is already yielding progressive outcomes, it added. The Army further rejected claims of neglect, saying the federal government remained committed to the welfare of the armed forces. Contrary to claims of neglect, the federal government under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, has consistently demonstrated commitment to the welfare and operational effectiveness of the armed forces, the statement said. Reaffirming its position, the Army said it remained focused on its constitutional responsibilities and urged the public to rely on official sources for information. The Nigerian Army remains a cohesive, disciplined and professional force, fully focused on its constitutional mandate of defending Nigeria's sovereignty and supporting internal security operations. The public is urged to disregard such unfounded reports and rely on official communication channels for accurate information concerning the armed forces, especially the Nigerian Army, the statement concluded.